And speaking of the vice president's position, because now there is a vacancy after Jagdeep Dhankar's resignation as the vice president, apart from speculations, now we have leaders who seem to be pitching names for the post. After Dhankar, here is what Telangana Chief Minister Revant Reddy seems to be pitching for a Telugu-speaking vice president. Blaming the NDA of neglecting the OBCs, the Congress Chief Minister in Telangana has now suggested that the alliance to take up the name of Bandaru Dattatreya as vice president as a move to exercise penance.
तेलुगु भाषा बोलने वाले को आप घर वापसी कर दी, तो उसको सुधारने के लिए हमारे बंडारू दत्तात्रेय जी का खाली हरियाणा गवर्नर का जिम्मेदारी खत्म हो गए। और बंडारू दत्तात्रेय जब केंद्र मंत्री था, उनका केंद्र मंत्री खींच लेके किशन रेड्डी को दे दिए। हमारा बंडी संजय जी अध्यक्ष था, आज ब्राह्मण रामचंद्र राव को दे दिए। तो साउथ और खासकर तेलंगाना में जितने भी ओबीसी है, सबका गला काट दिए एनडीए ने। सो सौपुन माफ करने के लिए दत्तात्रेय जी को वाइस प्रेसिडेंट बनाया तो ठीक रहता है, क्योंकि तेलंगाना को आप इतना अन्याय नहीं कर सकते। देश में हिंदी के बाद दूसरी भाषा तेलुगु ज्यादा बोलने वाले, पहला हिंदी है, दूसरा तेलुगु है, तीसरा बंगाली है। तो साउथ पर्टिकुलर तेलुगु हमारे लोगों को अन्याय किए। मैं एनडीए सरकार से ये डिमांड कर रहा हूं, क्योंकि ओबीसी का चर्चा बहुत तेजी से चल रहा है। ओबीसीओं का केंद्र मंत्री था दत्तात्रेय, गला काट दिए। बंडी संजय जी अध्यक्ष था, उनका भी गला काट दिए। तो इसीलिए दत्तात्रेय जी को अगर वाइस प्रेसिडेंट बनाए तो थोड़ा बहुत आपका गुनाह कुछ माफ हो जाएंगे।
Well, Soumit, this is coming across as a surprise. Here is Revant Reddy supporting Bandaru Dattatreya. The first question now arises, will his own party make that, support that demand? But now he has been saying that he is asking the NDA government to appoint Dattatreya as a vice president because he believes that there needs to be OBC representation, and talking about Sokhun Maaf, saying that some of your sins would be forgiven.
Well, that's to see Revant Reddy pitching in Dattatreya. And Dattatreya is very big leader actually when it comes to coming from Telangana, or even he was actually leader when before bifurcation as well. So very big face from Telangana, Andhra State. So pitching in his name clearly is part of politics. But yes, when it comes to leaders like Venkaiah Naidu or Dattatreya, they are normally supported by all the parties or all the leaders. But he has also made it very much clear that it is not the Congress party's decision. But yes, he'll try to convince the Congress High Command on this matter. But mainly he tried, because he was speaking on the OBC matter, he clearly tried to, bring in OBC leaders' name, because he also said about Bandi Sanjay, and he was, earlier he was there as the president of Telangana TBJP. So, he was removed as the president, but he was also given the central minister post. So, Bandaru Dattatreya recently completed his term as the Haryana governor. So he should be given the vice president post, and your sins will be forgiven, is what Revant Reddy was seen saying. But at the same time, even Prime Minister comes from the OBC, that he might have forgotten. But at the same time, mainly because he was speaking about the OBCs from the Telangana state, and for the to pass the reservation bill at the parliament. So mainly he has pitched one of the OBC leaders' name there, because Jagdeep Dhankar has resigned.
All right. Will Congress party be a part of that as far as this demand or this appeal that has now been made when it comes to our OBC representation and a Telugu speaker, a native speaker from the state of Telangana, that has now been pitched by Chief Minister Revant Reddy? For the moment, Soumit, thank you very much for joining in. You're watching Times Now. Back after the show.